In AFP object-oriented programming crud tutorial focused on deleting data, the process typically begins with understanding the structure of the application and the database. The tutorial guides users through creating a class that handles database interactions, ensuring proper encapsulation and reusability of code. To delete data, a method is implemented within the class that accepts an identifier, such as an id, to specify which record to remove. The tutorial emphasizes the importance of validating input to prevent SQL injection attacks and ensure data integrity. Once the method is established, users learn to create a corresponding user interface element, like a delete button, which triggers the deletion process. The tutorial also covers best practices, such as confirming the delete action with the user and providing feedback on the success or failure of the operation. Overall, the tutorial aims to equip developers with the skills to manage data effectively in AFP environment.